Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I have something special for you, a unique journey across Ontario, Canada, where me and our sales manager Preet visited 6 Avrame kit homes that are being built by local builders. It took us 6 days and hundreds of miles of driving to get those A-frames on camera. First 4 of those homes are in different stages of construction, so you'll get an understanding how our kit homes are built. 2 last ones are finished and owners are enjoying their A-frames. You'll get to see firsthand the quality, flexibility and beauty that Avrame offers. So, let's go. Our first stop is in a place called Tiny, Ontario. Here we have the Trio 132 kit. This home kit was delivered just recently and waits to be installed onto the basement. We met the local builder. He gave some really good feedback on our kits and how to improve the building speed. We gave some tips on offloading the goods from sea containers and better on-site storaging. Moving on to Phelpston, where a beautiful Trio 200 is under construction. This home is huge and has a big basement floor. Insulation and interior finishing is yet to be done. And the third stop is in Innisfil, where a Trio 120 is taking shape. Just look at the progress. The homeowners here are happy with both the delivery and the design. They particularly love how the home integrates with the local scenery. Few more weeks of work and the house is ready to accept the furniture. Next, let's visit the show house Trio 132 in Severn, Ontario. This is a great example for those who want to see an Avrame home fully furnished and in action. When we visited, it was nearly finished. Just some final bits and pieces. It should be done by now, and if you want to see this show house for yourself, please contact Tosh, our Canadian representative, to make an appointment. You can find his contact details on our website. And this is the guy, Tosh. He is our man in Canada. He has made all these beautiful homes to happen. For stop number 5, we have an off-grid Trio 100 in Bonfield. If you're interested in sustainable living, this one's for you. The owners are thrilled with how the home allows them to live more sustainably without sacrificing comfort. Our A-frame was the most suitable and cost-effective solution for their plan to live in the nature, produce their own energy and food. They have documented all this long journey on their YouTube channel. Search for Canadian A Homestead to see their whole story, from planning the access roads to furnishing the home. Have you ever wondered what it's like to spend a night in an Avrame home? Well, I got to experience it in Sundridge, Ontario. The ambience is cozy, and the design is both functional and aesthetic. It's the perfect weekend getaway. As we step inside, notice the spacious and airy ambience, created by the soaring ceilings and the abundant natural light streaming through the large windows. Every corner of this home has been designed with functionality and style in mind. From the sleek, open-plan kitchen to the cozy, inviting living area. Here at Avrame, we believe in creating homes that are not just structures, but sanctuaries that resonate with the beauty of their surroundings. Moving upstairs, the loft-style bedroom offers a serene retreat. The clever use of space and the view of the stars through the skylight make it a perfect end-of-day escape. Quality, sustainability, and design are at the heart of every home we create, ensuring that they are as enduring as they are beautiful. So there you have it. 6 unique Avrame homes across Ontario, each with its own story and charm. Whether you're a builder, a homeowner, or someone exploring housing options, Avrame has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, take care.